This is Boogie. Boogie's been with us for probably 7 years. He came here as a little tiny baby with 2 sisters. He was a little shy, and so unfortunately he was not adopted. His sisters were. He's still shy. I do feel if he went into the right home, he might adjust to being pet and being loved. He's a toothless guy. He lost a few of his teeth a few years ago, but he does very well. Doesn't impede his eating. He's neutered. He's up to date with everything and looking for a forever home. He will need to be adopted with Maggie. If I can find Maggie. Maggie's probably hiding. Let's see. Let's take a look. See if we can find Maggie. Here we got Ernie. Here's Ernie again. Here's Junior again. Hi, Junior. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Where's Maggie? Let's see. I can't find Maggie. Hey, Jet. Is Jet. Hi, Jet. Who's a handsome man? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, Jet? Huh? And Maggie seems to have found a place to hide. And there she is. Okay.